Hey everybody, welcome back to another Trackhoe Tuesday. Today we got two pieces of equipment working together. We have the excavator that's going to strip the topsoil away, and then we have the skid steer that's going to move it to a low area. Which piece of equipment is your favorite?
The bucket on the excavator. It is able to scrape the topsoil. The skid steer is ready to haul away. Gotta find a good place for the topsoil. Here's a good spot for all the topsoil. More topsoil. This is how we change the buckets. We're using the bucket with teeth. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The tooth bucket gets the roots out. Don't forget more videos on Trackhoe Tuesday.
Now the topsoil is stripped away. and hauled to a different location, and the area is ready to get 304 gravel. Another workday done for JD. Wonder where he's gonna go next week. Thanks for joining us.